How's this, your Unc? Burpee Yoga Uncle. Thanks for stopping by. Food Leveling is one of the channels that I follow. That dude lives in Singapore and has all these great Hakka Center food. And a couple days ago, he put up a video on Laksa, which is a Singapore Malaysian dish. And I so want to eat it, so I made it. Unfortunately, I didn't have all the ingredients. So here's my hack of it. And I like seafood, and that's why I put seafood in there. So this is my version of the Singapore Malaysian laksa, and big up to Food Leveling for making me miss the Hakka Center in Singapore. And thanks for stopping by here too. Please hit that like and subscribe button and help us reach 2,000. It's just a go, just a go. And here we go with the grub. Fitness, foodies, and the fabulous absurd. From burpees to Camus, you're never gonna know what you're gonna get from your Unc, Burpee Yoga Uncle. Alright, here we go. So this is the tail end of my cooking. As you see in the upper right hand corner, that's the whole steps of me actually making the laksa from scratch. Kind of instructions up there, but here I am. This is the finishing end of it. I'm going to be doing a mukbang to show you what it tastes like after I make the laksa. And then on the upper right, it's going to show you how I made it. Please enjoy, and again, hit that like and subscribe button. Here goes my mukbang. Oh, by the way, if you can get the laksa sauce, there's a couple of brands out there. You can find it online. There's no way for me to get it, so that's why I didn't do it. But yeah, that would be the faster way of doing it. But I got a hack. Hot and spicy. And here we go. Oof. So much stuff going on. The pork. No. No, this is better. This is better. Try it.
This is better.
Recording. A hint of spiciness, sweetness, curry. It is so good, laksa. And that's Korean noodles. Not supposed to be Korean noodles, but
Tastes more Thai.
oh yes. The noodle is Korean. Still recording.
Can you save yourself? I can bring it over.
corn. No, not that. Get the shrimp. There's shrimp in there. No. Get the shrimp.
What is this?
Mmm.
What is this? Oh.
No, that one you gotta put everything together. Yeah, this is better because it's already done. There's a big shrimp. Ooh. Mm.